Is your dream to be a doctor just a dream? Not to worry, we are here to rescue. Pursue medicine in the Philippines. Why Philippines, you ask? Internationally recognized American syllabus equivalent to MBBS in India, recognized by WHO and MCI approved. No exorbitant management fees. English as the education medium. Philippines is an English-speaking country. Extensive clinical and practical training. Students from the Philippines have the highest percentage of clearing the MCI screening test. Higher education opportunities in US and UK with stipend and no fees. And pleasant close to home tropical weather. Which means students get to work with the same disease spectrum as in India. Now why us, you ask? We are experts in education consulting for medicine in the Philippines. We make the usually tough Philippines visa process simple and easy. We offer 100% guidance through the entire process till the admission. So why wait? Contact us right now and take the first step in becoming a world-class medical professional.